Hello, Peter here, and this is the first of the 30 series on meditation and mindfulness. And the first question, why should I meditate every day? And it's a very good question. Well, if you think about exercise, your body is designed to move, and we should really be exercising every day, either through walking, or I actually teach Qigong on this channel. You can do it any way that you want. But why should we meditate every day? Well, meditation is like a workout for the mind. It helps to sharpen your focus, helps you to focus on the right things, helps you to bring your attention span back to you, because apparently from Microsoft research that our attention spans are becoming less than the goldfish. So it really helps you to increase your attention span. So it's a workout for your mind, and you should be doing it every day, as you should be moving your body every day. It's a pain, I know, but you can do it. Just apply yourself, and there's a webinar that you can try for 5 meditation techniques to try and increase your focus and your attention span. You can try it, just click the link below this video. 5 meditation techniques, try it for free, and I'll see you in the next video.